All right, a couple of features on a modern car, these newer cars that I want to talk about real quick. First, the auto start stop. What is that? When it is on, when you come to a stop for any length of time, when this is engaged, when it's turned on, the engine will kill on its own. As soon as you begin to take off, that engine, as soon as you let off the brake pressure is released, it will refire the engine. Now, the manufacturers will tell you that this is to conserve fuel, but here is the thing about that. It is not worth burning up a starter over. That little bit of fuel that you may indeed save is not worth the constant starting, stopping, starting, stopping. That will burn up a starter. Okay, and also, for those that do not know, most engine wear occurs when on startup. Okay, that's what the engine builders claim on startup. So I turn this feature off personally. I don't need the vehicle starting itself. I'll start it when I'm ready to start it. You know what I mean? So keep in mind, you can save your starter by not having the vehicle start itself constantly. It's just not good on a vehicle. Now, let's talk about the second feature that I want to discuss. All right, most of these new vehicles have a automatic parking brake. Now, here is another item that the manufacturer will not tell you. This vehicle right here, this is a 2024 Toyota Cross. Anytime you take it from drive, put it into reverse, that automatic parking brake disengages. You have servo motors that disengage the parking brake. All right, you go to put it back into park. Those servo motors set the brake, so it's a constant running of those motors. Disengage, re-engage, disengage, re-engage. So what's going to happen? Those motors are going to go out quicker, which means got to take it to somebody who can repair that. Put new ones in. You might be able to do it yourself. The whole point of this video, the dealership wants you in their shop. They want to see you and your vehicle in their shop. Now, with this automatic parking brake system that these vehicles now have, you cannot change your brake pads unless you disengage the servo motors from the rear brakes. You got to know how to do that to service your brakes. So it's just they're making these vehicles harder and harder to work on, and that is on purpose because, again, they want to see you in their shop. They want to make your money. So, yeah. So just keep these things in mind, especially that start-stop that I just talked about. That engine constantly starting, stopping, starting, stopping, it will burn up a starter, and it's unnecessary engine wear, okay? So keep those things in mind. Just a video that I wanted to make and try to save you guys some money in the long run. I appreciate you guys watching. I really, really do. And I hope that I've saved somebody some money in the long run. That is the whole point of this video. Honesty and transparency, and just a common guy that has a little bit of knowledge trying to save some people some money. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Take it easy. Bye.